Happy week 7, kids. It's a new triad, so let's start off strong. Today, you guys are going to be on MobyMax. I want you on MobyMax, and I want you working for at least 20 minutes. Make sure you do 20 minutes in math, because language, arts, and science don't count for math. So make sure you do 20 minutes in the math and watch the video in the assignment. It will help you log in, and it will also help you navigate. Tuesday, we're going to be doing box and Worcester plots notes with Mrs. Reller. I've noticed you guys do better and get the assignment done if we do it together, so we're going to do that together. Wednesday, you're going to do a box and whisker Nearpod. You must complete the Nearpod to get credit for that day. Thursday, you are going to be doing a big ideas assignment. Don't forget to hit submit when you're done, otherwise you won't get full credit for it. You need to attach a screenshot of it, of your results, and if you accidentally logged out, just go to reports, it'll be there, and then take a picture of your notes or your work for me to see as well. And then on Friday, we're going to review the importance of MAP and what I want you guys doing when you get done with your MAP test. You will be taking MAP tests next Monday and next Tuesday, 10-5 and 10-6. And some of you might have to do a workstation readiness check if you didn't do it with me in second period. So make sure you're ready, or in the other classes. So have a great week. We're going to start this new triad off strong so we can raise our grades.